to meet the heavy hitters of the truck world that scoff at the junkyard? Which one would you trust for the long haul? Here's our list of the 10 best truck engines that will last a lifetime. Number 10. Chevrolet 4.3L Vortec V6. Kicking things off is the Chevrolet 4.3L Vortec V6. It's been powering trucks like the Chevy S10, Silverado 1500, and GMC Canyon past 290,000 miles without breaking a sweat. This engine's been a solid workhorse in Chevy's lineup since 1985, proving that you don't always need a V8 to get the job done. What's cool about the 4.3L is that it's basically a 350 small block with 2 cylinders chopped off, giving it great balance and smooth operation. It shares a lot of parts with a bigger V8 cousin, making maintenance a breeze. With its cast iron blocks and heads, this engine was built for durability. In 1996, Chevy upgraded it with sequential fuel injection, making it even more efficient and reliable. No wonder it's still a favorite among work trucks and daily drivers alike. Number 9. Toyota 3VZ 3.0L V6. Next up is the Toyota 3VZ V6, which may not be the most famous engine Toyota ever made, but it's certainly a solid performer. Powering Toyota pickups and 4Runners from 1988 to 1995, it's often clocked well over 300,000 miles. Toyota is known for reliability, and the 3VZ helped raise that reputation. With a cast iron block for durability and aluminum heads to keep the weight down, it's a well-balanced engine. Sure, it has a timing belt that needs replacing every now and then, but with proper care, this engine just keeps on going. Its conservative tuning from the factory means it's not stressed under normal use, which contributes to its long life. Number 8. Ford 300 Inline 6. Here's the classic, the Ford 300 Inline 6. This beast was a staple in F-Series trucks from 1965 to 1996, and it's not uncommon to see them racking up over 300,000 miles. It was also used in Ford Econoline vans, proving it could handle any job. The Ford 300 is often called the tractor engine of the F-Series thanks to its long stroke design that provides excellent low-end torque, perfect for hauling. It's simple, robust, and reliable, with fewer moving parts that could break down. Its thick cast iron block can be bored out multiple times, making rebuilds easy, which is why many of these engines are still going strong today. Number 7. Nissan VQ4 0DE V6. Nissan may not be the first brand that comes to mind for trucks, but the VQ4 0DE 4-liter V6 engine is a solid contender. Since 2005, this engine has been powering the Nissan Titan and Frontier, with many of them easily surpassing 250,000 miles. As part of Nissan's renowned VQ engine family, the VQ40DE strikes an excellent balance between compact design and smooth performance. Despite its aluminum block and heads, this engine is surprisingly tough. Its ladder frame construction adds extra rigidity, and the use of a timing chain instead of a belt significantly cuts down on maintenance. One of the standout features is continuous variable valve timing on both the intake and exhaust cams, which optimizes both performance and fuel efficiency across the RPM range. This combination of smart design, durability, and efficiency makes the VQ4 ODE a top choice for longevity and reliability in the truck world. Number 6. GMC Duramax 6.6-liter V8 Turbo Diesel. The GMC Duramax 6.6-liter V8 Turbo Diesel is an engine known for its remarkable longevity, often hitting the impressive 500,000-mile mark. Since its introduction in 2001, it's become the powerhouse behind GMC Sierra and Chevy Silverado heavy-duty trucks, turning them into long-distance champions capable of handling almost any task, from towing to hauling. One of the Duramax's standout features is its construction. The iron block gives it the durability and strength needed for heavy-duty use, while the aluminum heads keeps the weight down, optimizing performance without sacrificing toughness. This balance of materials ensures that the engine can endure high stress over long periods, making it a favorite for those who need reliability. Another key feature is the use of 6 head bolts per cylinder, which helps maintain an ultra-tight seal even under the intense pressure of turbocharging. While early versions of the Duramax had some injector issues, GM quickly addressed these problems, and since then, the engine has earned a solid reputation for reliability and durability. Paired with a Bosch Common Rail fuel injection system, the Duramax delivers precise fuel management, improving both power and efficiency. These design choices have made it a trusted workhorse for truck owners and demand performance, durability, and long-term reliability. Number 5. Toyota 22R Inline 4. If there's one engine that helped build Toyota's reputation for rock-solid reliability, it's the 22R Inline 4. This 2.4-liter engine powered Toyota trucks past 300,000 miles and beyond. It was the workhorse of choice for the Toyota pickup from 1981 to 1995 and even found its way into the first-gen Tacoma. The 22R's reputation as bulletproof is well-earned. The simple design, cast iron block, and aluminum head made it durable but lightweight. The timing chain was designed to last the life of the engine, eliminating a common failure point. Though it only put out 97 horsepower and 129 pound-feet of torque, the 22R prioritized reliability over raw power, making it an engine that could just run forever. Number 4. Dodge 5.9-liter V8. For Dodge fans, the 5.9-liter V8, also known as the Magnum V8, is a legendary engine that's built to go the distance, often surpassing 350,000 miles. It was the powerhouse behind Ram 2500 and 3500 trucks from 1994 to 2003 and even found its way into the Dakota, proving its versatility across both heavy-duty and mid-size trucks. One of the standout features of the Magnum V8 is its incredible sturdy bottom end. The deep skirted engine block design offers extra support for the crankshaft, reducing wear and vibration, which helps prolong the engine's life. Additionally, the oversized bearing surfaces help distribute the load more evenly, cutting down on stress during tough jobs like towing or hauling heavy loads. The engine's hydraulic roller camshaft is another key component that reduces friction, ensuring smoother operation and less wear over time. This design choice, combined with its robust construction, makes the Magnum V8 a low-maintenance, long-lasting engine. Whether you're looking for something to handle tough jobs or simply a reliable truck for the long haul, the 5.9-liter Magnum V8 has proven itself as a durable and dependable choice for Dodge enthusiasts. It's a workhorse that keeps on delivering. Number 3. Chevrolet Small Block V8. The Chevy Small Block V8 is an American legend, powering everything from sports cars to trucks since 1954. In the truck world, the most popular versions are the 5.7-liter and the more recent 5.3-liter, both of which have been known to hit 500,000 miles with proper care. Its compact size helps with cooling, reducing thermal stress, while the pushrod design keeps things simple and durable. Chevy has refined this engine over the years, improving materials and manufacturing techniques, but the basic, tried and true design remains unchanged. It's no wonder the small block V8 is a favorite among truck owners. Number 2. Ford Powerstroke 7.3-liter V8. For the Ford fans out there, the 7.3-liter Powerstroke is your engine of choice, often referred to as the million-mile engine. It's been known to clock in at 500,000 miles. It powered 4 F-250 and F-350 Super Duty trucks from 2003 to 2007, and the Ford Excursion from 2000 to 2005. This engine was overbuilt in all the right ways, with a sturdy graphite iron block and forged steel connecting rods. Its hydraulic lifters are self-adjusting, reducing the need for regular maintenance. Combine that with a simple direct injection system, and you've got an engine that can handle anything you can throw at it for years to come. Number 1. Cummins 6.7-liter Turbo Diesel. At the top of the list sits the Cummins 6.7-liter Turbo Diesel, a true powerhouse that's racked up an astounding 520,000 miles. Found in Ram 2500 and 3500 trucks, as well as in heavy-duty rigs like Freightliners and Peterbilts, this engine is built for the long haul, whether you're towing, hauling, or logging countless miles on the highway. What makes the Cummins 6.7-liter so durable? Its simple yet robust inline-six design. This configuration is prized for its strength and efficiency, allowing the engine to handle the high stresses of heavy-duty use. The cast iron block and head give it the toughness needed to withstand enormous pressures over time without breaking down. Unlike many engines, the Cummins 6.7-liter uses a gear-driven camshaft instead of a timing chain or belt, reducing the likelihood of failure and simplifying maintenance. This combination of strong construction and smart engineering has earned the Cummins 6.7-liter Turbo Diesel its reputation as one of the most durable and reliable engines in the truck world. Thinking about a truck that'll go the distance, the Cummins 6.7-liter might just be your best bet. So there you have it. 10 truck engines that have proven their longevity and durability. These engines are built to last, racking up miles like it's a walk in the park. But even the toughest engines need regular maintenance to keep running smoothly. So, which of these legends would you choose for your next truck? Let's keep the debate going on in the comment section below. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more.